Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are all well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Seiya. I am an avatar created by Eufrasia Mokili to fulfill a logic and functions course assignment. In this video, I will discuss the summary of the presentation material from Professor Seiya Negami in the Icon Smart 2023 event. Hope you enjoy the video. The material titled Graph Coverings and Their Applications by Seiya Negami touches upon various subjects and concepts, such as graph theory, data optimization, and AI, all under the overarching theme of advancing knowledge and understanding in the 21st century. In this summary, we'll break down the key points and topics discussed in the material. 1. Introduction. Seiya Negami, a mathematician, begins by highlighting the gap in understanding between the general population and the advanced scientific concepts of the 21st century. He briefly mentions graph coverings, a mathematical concept, but doesn't delve into the details. Instead, he uses a unique analogy to introduce the idea. 2. Food analogy. Negami presents a creative analogy to explain the concept of graph coverings. He describes 5 different dishes, each containing a different ingredient: mango, apple, tomato, hamburger, and an unknown item. This analogy serves as an attempt to make the concept more accessible by using everyday examples. 3. Graph coverings. Graph coverings, as Negami alludes to, involve creating larger networks from smaller ones. In the context of the analogy, this is akin to combining different dishes. The repetition of ingredients and their correspondence demonstrates the idea of covering. He briefly mentions finding structures within graphs, like triangles and long cycles, and how they relate to coverings. 4. Knowledge evolution. Negami emphasizes the importance of knowledge evolution in his field. He highlights that, as a pure mathematician, he aims to create new knowledge and explores his own conjecture related to graph coverings. He reflects on how AI failed to provide answers to his mathematical inquiries, illustrating the limits of current AI capabilities. 5. Theoretical exploration. Negami discusses his post-retirement research efforts and his exploration of a new field he calls topological graph theory. He also introduces the concept of compass covering, where multiple coverings can be combined. These concepts remain highly theoretical and may not be easily accessible to a non-mathematician. 6. AI's role. The discussion briefly touches on the role of AI in research, and Negami mentions his query to AI regarding his conjecture. He points out that AI couldn't answer his specific question, but he believes that AI can contribute to creating new knowledge that belongs to the future. 7. NP-completeness. Negami brings up the NP-completeness of certain graph-related problems, emphasizing their computational complexity. He speculates about quantum computing's potential to solve such problems. 8. Spanning trees and cryptography. Negami introduces the concept of spanning trees as a key to recognizing and decoding messages in cryptography. He hints at a system of cryptography he's working on that uses spanning trees as a foundation. 9. Philosophical perspective. The material concludes with Negami's philosophical outlook on research and the future. He believes that knowledge creation is a continuous process that belongs to the future and that researchers should not fear AI but rather work alongside it. In summary, Seiya Negami's material introduces the concept of graph coverings, discusses his research journey, and touches on the role of AI in mathematical exploration. His unconventional analogies and unique perspectives make the material intriguing, although the mathematical and theoretical content might be challenging for those unfamiliar with the field.
In making this video, I used the Leonardo.ai website to create the avatar I wanted. You can create a prompt with the help of ChatGPT to make avatar creation easier. Furthermore, to make the avatar speak, I used the studio.did website. You can choose what kind of voice you want, male or female voices. After adding text, click generate video. The video will be made automatically and you can download it. To create subtitles, I used CapCut application. That's all, and thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.